remember you.
Well,
You're looking rather gay today, Faelon.
well, Cotman, why would you say something like that?
I know. I'm not supposed to say it, but I mean, look at yourself, lad.
I'm not even gay, Cartman. I mean, elves have weird orgies and things, and yes, I've swung a little bit with the other side, but I'm not gay, Cartman. I do like Talus.
Oh, again with the Talus,
you
lad.
seem to really
Yeah.
like Talus, Faelon.
Carl, tell Faelon he's being gay.
Faelon.
Cartman, you can't just go around calling people gay.
Well, why not?
That's exactly what I would say.
Because we'll get demonetized. Oh, yeah, whatever. Faelon.
But, Cartman, I know you spent a lot of time in that hill, that mountain in that cabin, but, well, things work differently down here, Cartman. You can't just call every tiefling gay.
Yeah, alright. What's that music?
Oh, well.
Where's the bard playing?
Well, since you passed, Cartman, we hired a new bard.
Look, I've been thinking a lot about our journeys together, and I have to go and tell my dad something. I have to get him to apologize for skinning that dragon. And while I'm gone, there's something I need you all to do for me.
What is it, Kahl? Anything?
You know the city of Dragonspear? Look,
No?
I used to live there, Cotman. It's a small home with a red mailbox.
It's just south of Daggerford, Cartman.
Once you get there, I need you to go inside. I need you to go inside my house and go into the basement. There we'll have all of your answers.
Oh God, Attack on Titan.
I don't know how
The
long
answers.
I'm gonna be gone, or if we'll even survive, but I need you to know something, Faelon. You're a Titan.
I'm a what?
Listen,
No.
we don't have a lot of time to explain this. The
Kahl.
portal is closing. I have to go now. Find
Kahl.
the basement. Find
I'll
the
find
book.
it. I'll find it, Kahl. For the
Faelon,
coast. Come on.
thank you for everything you've done for me. Cotman, make sure Fruit eats well. Hey guys, I don't really know what the fuck's going on. There's a lot of dragons over here.
Go eat your vegetables, Fruit.
Alright.
Not now, Fruit. Get me a glass of water.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'll go get you that glass of water, guys. Sure.
And get
Stop
me
it, Fruit.
flashback.
Well,
Tell my mom. I
Welcome,
didn't know her.
Jacob.
Oh, what?
What did he say?
We were doing a fucking audio test. That was right when the music dropped.
Oh shit! Sorry, don't.
Holy shit.
Okay.